Today, I'll show you how to install a shelf. First, locate the two holes on the bottom of the shelf. When you mount the shelf, these holes must face downward. Take the bracket that comes with the shelf. This piece will attach to the wall. Identify the holes on the bracket that will connect to the holes on the bottom of the shelf in the final step. Place the bracket against the wall and insert the center screw. Don't tighten it completely yet, just enough to hold the bracket in place. Use a wall level to ensure the bracket is perfectly straight. Adjust as needed before proceeding. Once the bracket is level, use a drill to install the remaining screws and firmly secure the bracket to the wall. Place the shelf onto the bracket, aligning the holes on the bottom of the shelf with the bracket's connection points. Insert and tighten the screws to secure the shelf in place. Your shelf is now installed.